Video has emerged showing the moment. An Indian Air Force Antonov AN-32 military transport aircraft crashed while attempting to land at Jorhat Air Force Base in Assam on Saturday, June 13. CCTV footage shows the aircraft operating at a higher speed just before the crash and making a successful landing. But, as the aircraft made a sudden left turn on the runway, it appears the portside engine was operating with a modified propeller pitch angle for reverse thrust for braking. This could have caused asymmetric braking, which resulted in the crash, breaking the aircraft in two, and triggering a massive fire after the accident. At least 5 personnel lost their lives, and 16 others were injured in the crash. In a statement, the Air Force said it deeply regrets the loss of personnel in the crash, and assured support to the bereaved families during this difficult time. The An-32 is designed to excel in extreme environments, performing well at high-altitude airstrips and in hot tropical climates. The aircraft can carry up to 7.5 tons of cargo, 50 passengers or 42 paratroopers, and is widely used for supply drops in remote areas. The Air Force is investigating the incident.